I hope you had fun doing your math today. That tricky zero likes to hide, doesn't it? See you later. Bye-bye. How many dots do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we split it into two groups, how many do we have on this side? 5, that's right. How many more does 5 need to make 8? 1, 2, 3. 5 and 3 are 8. Let's take a look at these dots. What number do you see? How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we split it into two groups, we could split it like this. So one group has 1 dot, and the other group has 7 dots. 1 and 7 make 8. What about this group of dots? What do we see here? How many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how could we split this into two groups? Maybe we could split it down the middle like this. It almost looks like a butterfly or a ladybug. How many dots are on this side of the ladybug? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 make 8. Let's write our number 8. Start at the top. Make an S. Do not wait. Go back to the top. That's how we make an 8. So now we're going to count using the say 10 way. Say 10 way. Let's use our sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to split them in half. So we have 5 on one side and 5 on the other, but we know we have 10. So how can we do this together? Let's think about it. The say 10 way, you say 10 and then the next number. So this is 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9. So In our class, we're going to pretend there are 18 students and that some of them are wearing a red shirt and some of them are wearing a blue shirt. Let's find the total number of kids. So first we have to find out how many kids have red shirts on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna change my pen color so it shows up really well. 10. And now we have to see how many kids have blue shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many do we have all together? Let's do it the say 10 way. 10, 8. So now let's change it up a little bit. We have these 10 kids with red shirts. We have these 8 kids with blue shirts. Let's take our blocks back out. And let's do our problem over here with blocks. 10 with red shirts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there were how many kids with blue shirts? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 10, 8 all together. Now let's count all the way from 1 all the way to our big teen number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 10, 8 is 18. So what happens if I write 10, 8? But I squish these numbers together and I make it 18. 10, 8 is 18. What happened? The 0 is gone. It disappeared. But it didn't really disappear. I'm going to show you a cool trick. See if we can show you where that 0 is hiding. Because it's not gone, it just is invisible. So we have 10. Whoa. So now we're gonna put our 8 over top. So I'm covering it up with the 8. But the 0's still there. It's just hiding behind the 8. And if I were to erase everything, if I were to erase my whole 8, the 0's still there. 10, 8. And when you write 18, the 0 is just hiding behind the 8. So the same thing happens for our other teen numbers. The 0 never really disappears. It's always there. It's just invisible. We have our 10, And if we hide our 10, and we hide our 0, what happens if I put the number 1 over top? What number is that? It's 11. And if we write it the 10 one way, we can do, or the say 10 way, sorry, we get 10, 1. But remember, that 0 is always hiding from the 10. I hope you had fun doing your math today. That tricky 0 likes to hide, doesn't it? See you later. Bye-bye.